This is actually a 1970 Mustang Fastback restoration project we're working on. I tell you that much. This car came to us in its condition, with everything. The motor was removed. We had the first stages of the restore done here on the passenger side, the apron, and the shock tower. That was very important. And now we have the firewall set in place, ready for welding. Unbelievable project. I did a lot of... Over here you can see the driver's side torque box. It's not welded in yet. And we'll bring you over here. You can see the driver's side apron, the cross member. What a project this has been. There's the passenger side torque box ready to be welded in. We have a brand new cowl. We removed the old cowl, which was totally rotted out. I mean, forget about it. We have a brand new cowl here from Mustangs Unlimited. I'd flip it over, but I can't hold the camera and do that at the same time. But it's brand new. And lighting permitting. You can see how we laid in and drilled all the holes for the complete floor pan. And there's the firewall on the driver's side. There's the pedestal. It's not welded in yet. The seat pedestal. But the project's coming along very well. Without a whole lot of difficulty. I guarantee you that. There'll be another video showing a lot more. But this is quite a project. Trying to mimic Ford in 1969 when this car was built. Alright, here's the driver's side floor pan. It's all brand new. Yeah, the camera is indicating that it's in need of charge right now. But there are gaps and everything that had to be dealt with one way or another. This is the floor pan seam. It goes to the back. And the seat riser and the hump. I tell you, it's up so the transmission cross brakes will fit, the engine will fit, you know, the shock tower had to be done just right and perfect, and the inner apron in order to match up to the firewall. And there's the outer apron where the battery sits. It's been one hell of a process, grinding off and removing metal, rusted metal that was built in 1969 in New Jersey. And here we have our the trunk pans. I already had them fitted. They fit up well. It's going to need a lot of work, and it's just grinding and drilling holes for plug welds. Signing off now.